Hello, students. I've had several questions about how you should cite the texts on Common Lit for this paper assignment for Transcendentalism. So a lot of you might want to use excerpts or quotes from the essays that you read by Thoreau or Emerson, and you're definitely encouraged to do that. But I wanted to show you this information from Common Lit about how you should do a works cited entry and an in-text citation for those texts. So I originally thought that they had given you a citation, but they don't. You have to actually create the citation for yourself. And what you need to do is example 2 here. So this is an original publication info. So this was not originally published on Common Lit. This was published somewhere else, and now it's being used on Common Lit. So what you need is the author's name. So whether that's Emerson or Thoreau, you're going to put that there. Here, you're going to put the title of the essay. So whether that's Nature or Self-Reliance, that's what you're going to put in quotation marks, and then you're going to put the year that it was published. After that, you are going to put where it came from. So you're going to put Common Lit in italics. You do not need to include the URL. I don't care about that. So all you need is Common Lit. You can leave the URL off. But you do need to include the access date. So accessed, whether that's today or yesterday or whenever you looked at the essay to get the quote, make sure you put that date as the last part of your citation. Then if you're going to use an in-text citation, which you should, if it's on your works cited page, it should also have an in-text citation. After the quote or the example that you've used, in parentheses, you're just going to put the author's last name. The only change for this is if you are using more than one text by the same author. So if you are using both essays by Thoreau, for example, if you're using both the excerpt from Walden and the excerpt from Civil Disobedience, you need to say in your in-text citation which essay your quote came from. So it'll be parentheses, Thoreau, Walden or Civil Disobedience, and then end parentheses. If you have any questions about this, if this doesn't make sense, if you still don't know what an in-text citation is or what a works cited page is, please ask so that I can help you, because it's imperative that you have in-text citations and a works cited page for this assignment. Thanks, guys. I miss your faces.